Hi, I'm Alison Victoria, and over the course of my career, I've learned that just because something isn't expensive doesn't mean it's cheap. I have found great design pieces at discount and vintage stores that did the job, looked incredible, and amazingly enough, didn't cost a lot of money. Sometimes that's what you as a homeowner may be looking for in a roof. You want basic, affordable protection, but you don't want your roof to look like it came out of a bargain bin. I have the answer for you. 3-tab shingles from GAF are the ideal choice for a budget-friendly roof. They give you a great look with proven performance, so you don't have to sacrifice style or protection in order to save money. For a traditional 3-tab shingle, you can't go wrong with Royal Sovereign. This has been a go-to 3-tab for contractors and builders for over 50 years because of its trusted quality. It's made with an advanced color sequencing technology which creates a rich and vivid design that's hard to match. So even though you're spending less, you're still getting the quality you'd expect from North America's largest roofing manufacturer. And that is a real bargain.